It's the 9th of January 2021, and Murphy and I are out in the greenhouse. Beautiful sunny day today. I just checked the temperature a few minutes ago. It was 23 degrees Celsius, which this sunshine has been really nice the last few days, although we've had temperatures at night down as low as about minus 14 degrees Celsius. I recorded the other day the high temperature here in the greenhouse during the day with the sun shining was actually 25 degrees Celsius. So it did get down to about -3 at night inside the tunnels, but got up to 25 during the daytime with the sun shining. Just want to give you a quick peek. Of course, the strawberries they're still sitting here. They're somewhat dormant right now. They're going to be a little while before they perk up, another couple of months. But I want to give you a peek here, and you can see that the Chinese cabbage is doing well. It's slow, but it's coming. There's lots of new leaves in there. Give you a bit of an idea of the size of that. My carrots, actually, carrots are going to seed. Or no, sorry, that's just a bit of frost damage. Once I got looking at it closely, thought that was a little strange. But yeah, I might even, I think I might pick a couple of carrots today. This pot, they've done quite well. In the other tunnels, I've got a few broccoli, and although this one got eaten quite a bit, there's new growth coming. A little bit of bok choy that did survive the mice is coming along now. I'm going to plant some more out here later today. Celery still hanging in there, and then of course we've got the spinach. The new growth, it's coming in there. Nothing's happening quickly right now, but this sunshine will help, although we're in for still lots of cold weather, of course. That dichondra planted the other day, the petunia, alyssum. Look at all the new growth coming on the verbena. And then we've got all those beets that transplanted from out in the garden, some small ones. But we can see there's lots of new growth coming on there. And then we've got still our rosemary plants as well. So yeah, everything's doing well. I actually probably won't right now. I'll wait a little bit longer, but then I may fertilize the garden. But it all had fresh soil on there, and it was a kind of peat and manure based soil, so there's lots of nutrient that was added back in the spring. Murph, get into the garden. And then it will, but still some of those things, once they start really growing again, I'll start fertilizing once again. But right now things are just kind of holding their own. I'm going to get a little bit lighter weight plastic for the tunnel here, but I want to get that up and running. I've got some grow lights coming, should arrive this week, that I've ordered, and I want to get this area set up. But there's our update for January 9th, 2021.